Hey, good morning, all you groovy guys and gals, and welcome to the Groovy Guru channel. I hope you're having a great day today. It's a great day here. Start my day off right with some Java. Excellent. So I met this guy the other day, and he was carrying around a door handle. And I asked him why he had it. And he said, it gets me out of the house. So my mom was a radiologist. And when she met my dad, she took an x-ray of him. I always wondered what she saw in him. So I am hoping that you went from here to here, and I am wishing you to be happy, to be well, and to be blessed, and stay groovy.